In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger Business email to Outlook 2025 guide. First, sign into your Hostinger account and head straight to the email section. This is where all of your business email services are managed. Open the specific mailbox you want to use in Outlook. We're going here because Outlook will ask for exact connection details, and this page lists everything you need. On the mailbox page, look for the incoming and outgoing server settings along with their port numbers. Hostinger typically shows IMAP for incoming and SMTP for outgoing. IMAP keeps your mail and folders synced across all devices, which is what most people prefer. PUP, on the other hand, downloads messages to one device and doesn't sync changes back. Make a careful note of the server names, the ports, and the recommended security type. Usually SSL or TLS. Copy them exactly so there are no typos. For context, secure IMAP commonly uses port 993, and SMTP often uses 465 or 587 with encryption, but always follow the exact values shown in your Hostinger panel. Use those over any defaults Outlook suggests. Now open Outlook on your computer. Go to the File menu and choose Add Account to start the setup. When Outlook asks for the account type, pick the option that matches your Hostinger details. For most business inboxes, IMAP is the best choice because it mirrors folders like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts everywhere. Enter your information exactly as shown in Hostinger. Your full email address as the username, your email password, the incoming mail server and port, and the outgoing mail server and port. For security, select SSL TLS wherever it's offered. Also, make sure outgoing mail requires authentication using the same credentials as incoming. In many versions of Outlook, you'll find a checkbox for this under More Settings or Advanced Options. Then click Next. Outlook will test the connection by logging into the incoming server and sending a test message through the outgoing server. If either test fails, double-check the server names, confirm the ports match Hostinger's instructions, verify SSL or TLS is selected correctly, and ensure you're using the full email address as the username with the correct password. Even a missing letter or an extra space can cause failures. Once the tests pass, click Finish. Outlook will begin syncing your folders and messages. Give it a moment on the first run as larger mailboxes can take some time to download. After syncing completes, you're ready to work in Outlook with your Hostinger business email, with mail and folders staying aligned across devices through IMAP. And if you ever change your email password in Hostinger, remember to update it in Outlook's account settings so everything continues to send and receive smoothly.